Okay, now that we have created a price rule, we can see what the effect is when we actually use it on transactions. So first of all, when it comes to estimates, price rules are not picked up on estimates. So if I come in here and I say, right, I have house new construction, which the price rule that I created in the last video said anything that has the customer type as referral, or anybody, right, who has a customer type as referral, and then also any item that has the item preferred vendor as Abercrombie. So if I go look at floor framing, right, Abercrombie Fence Company. So those were my two conditions for the rules. So you can see here when I create the estimate, right, it picks up my estimated cost, which is $10, my estimated revenue, which is $20. It doesn't have that price rule here. Okay. When I come in and create a sales order, so for first of all, before I'm not going to choose a customer, I'm just going to choose the item. So floor framing in here. Now notice that right away it picks up the rate as being $20 because it can't apply a rule yet because I don't have a customer chosen, right? And since one of my stipulations in there is that I have to have a customer that has customer type referral, it's not going to pick up the price rule information yet. So let me go ahead and choose that customer now. So once I've chosen a customer where a price rule applies, okay, now I see my rate has dropped down to $19 and I have the base rate, right, which is $20 per item, but you know, house new construction customer is getting charged $19. Then when I click on the little Z here, so notice we do have a little Z next to the rate, it will allow me to see a couple of things. So first of all, it can see which price rules are being applied. So it's picking up the holiday sale because the holiday sale is an exclusive only. So I do have the option, right, to choose multiple price levels if I need to. It's going to tell me I have conflicting price rules on there. So I could just select the second one as an example instead of the first. Another thing that it shows me here is it shows me the last sold price. So the last time this customer purchased this item, they paid $37.50 per each for this item. So now that they're getting $19, that's a great price, right? Take it and run. All right, so you can see what happens here on the sales order. And then the same thing happens at the invoice level, of course, if I choose that customer. And I come in and I'm just going to select one this time and choose floor framing, right? It's going to pick up for me that price level as well at the invoice. So it's not at the estimate level yet. Perhaps it'll get there hopefully soon for price rules. So that is the effect of price rules on invoices and sales orders.